I want to say in the house what the army chief has written. बस वही मैं बोलना चाह रहा हूं, आर्मी चीफ ने क्या बोला है, मोदी जी ने उनसे क्या कहा, राजनाथ सिंह जी ने उनसे क्या कहा, क्या ऑर्डर दिया, मैं पार्लियामेंट हाउस में बोलना चाहता हूं। पता नहीं इतने क्यों डरे हुए हैं।
आप कह रहे थे एमुनेशन है उससे
But Mr. Gandhi, Narwane's statement has come out. He is saying that not even 1 inch of the land was given.
That's not the point here. The point here is exactly what the Prime Minister said and what Rajnath Singh ji said. That is the point here, right? Whether the land was taken or not, that's a different question. We'll come to that. But before we come to that, the leader of the country is supposed to give direction. The leader of the country is not supposed to run away from decisions and leave decisions onto other people's shoulders. That is what the Prime Minister has done. Okay, one second. Let me speak. No. I'm not. Let me speak.
But the book is not even published, Mr. Gandhi.
Let me speak. You're all defenders of the BJP.
No, not at all.
Yes.
Not at all.
That's your agenda.
No,
Now listen to me. You asked me a question. Let me answer the question. Okay. This is not me. This is the army chief. This is what the army chief has written in a book. The book is not being allowed to be published. It is languishing. And this is the army chief's perspective, his view. Why are they so scared of the army chief's perspective? Why are they so scared of what the army chief has to say? We learn something from it. Of course, we learn something about our Prime Minister. We learn something about Rajnath Singh ji, but we'll also learn something about our army and how they were let down by the political leadership of the country. That's one second, brother. So that is ये मैं बोलने की कोशिश कर रहा हूँ। मैं ये कह रहा हूँ कि नरवाने जी ने प्रधानमंत्री जी के बारे में, राजनाथ सिंह जी के बारे में अपनी किताब में साफ लिखा है। वो एक आर्टिकल में आया है, मैं आर्टिकल को कोट कर रहा हूं, मुझे बोलने नहीं दे रहे हैं। मैं नहीं बोल रहा हूं, नारावाने जी ने ये किताब लिखी है। वो डरे हुए हैं क्योंकि अगर वो निकला तो नरेंद्र मोदी और राजनाथ सिंह की जो रियलिटी है वो लोगों को पता लग जाएगी कि जब चाइना हमारे सामने खड़ा था, आगे आ रहा था, 56 इंच की छाती को क्या हुआ था, उस लाइन में है पूरा। थैंक यू।